friends? You know, I've been to a few countries now, but Malaysia, it was my very first stamp. It was my first time navigating a foreign airport alone. My first time figuring out foreign currency, foreign transit, foreign faces, and somehow finding warmth in all of it. I left in 2019 thinking I had seen Kuala Lumpur. I was wrong. I was just rushing. This year, I came back. Not for a weekend, not for a layover. I stayed for 3 weeks. And this time, I let the city breathe. Hi all, I'm Serene and this is Serene Trails and Suitcase. Welcome to my slow travel deep dive into Kuala Lumpur. I'm taking you to parks most visitors skip, cafes I called home, and neighborhoods that reveal the real heartbeat of Malaysia. I'll be real with you. This isn't your standard top things to do guide. This is a travel diary. It's about the art of doing nothing in a city that's constantly moving. We're going to see birds and butterflies. We're going to hunt down the best laksa I've ever tasted, and I'm taking you inside the hotel that became a peaceful sanctuary in KL. Whether you're planning your 2026 trip or just dreaming of a place that is close to everything, I hope this series becomes your quiet pause in the middle of your day. A gentle like and subscribe go a long way if you want to wander along with me. It really helps this little channel grow. This suitcase has a few more stories to tell, and I'd love for you to be there when it takes us to the next one. We've got so much ahead of us, friends. Let's start this journey together. See ya!